Okay, now the sleeves, what I want them to be is a little bit puffy here, but then have that band that's a little bit tighter in here. So instead of having this come straight out, I'm just going to take a little bit off right on this edge here, and just a little bit there. Might not make a lot of sense right now, but once we actually cover it and everything, it will. Okay, now this part, go ahead and just cut a little bit of that out. Okay, and then I need to round this off here. And up here, need to round this off also. And right in here. And then the other part I like to get rid of is just right here at the base. Let's just cut out a little bit on the dress part right in here. Not here, but I want to go ahead and do it on this side also. Alright, so now I just want to go ahead and ice it. So I've just got regular buttercream. We're going to end up covering this with fondant. So just need a thin coat, crumb coat basically. Okay, start to smooth it out. Go around the edge of this. Okay, when we get to about there, take that piece of acetate paper. You get a cake supply shop or a art supply store. In the art supply store, it comes in sheets. Cake supply, it's in a band. Okay, so it's really, it's pretty rough crumb coat there. What I want to do is I want the sleeves to be a little bit more puffed out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some buttercream, no tip on it, and I just want to squeeze and kind of drag in. Squeeze here, drag in, kind of drag in. Do the same on the other side. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to chill this cake for about 10 minutes. That'll give me time to clean up my area, get my fondant out, and then I'm going to roll my fondant out, and then we'll come back and I'll show you covering it and what we're going to do with these areas here. And actually these go in more, so I need to make these a little bit longer. Okay. Alright, so into the refrigerator for about 10 minutes. When I bring it out, I'm going to cut the board the same shape as the cake all the way around, just using my knife like this, cutting it off. I'll have my fondant rolled out, and then we'll cover the cake.